OneSearch searches the library catalog in over 100 databases that SEC students, faculty, and staff have access to for research. From the library homepage, start by entering your keywords into the OneSearch search box. Remember, keywords are the most important words to describe your topic. For my research question, how does social media affect the mental health of teens? I would search with the keywords social media and teens and mental health. I put the phrases social media and mental health in quotes, which signals a database to search for the words together as a phrase and not separate words. When I get my results, I look around to see what I found. To narrow down my search or find specific types of sources, I use the limiters on the left. I select Available Online to look for articles, videos, and ebooks. To make sure I'm looking at recent information, I can add a date to search in only the last 5 years. My professor asked me to find a peer-reviewed article, so I select Articles under the search bar or in the filter list on the left-hand side. I also select Peer-reviewed journals. Now I'll look through the list and find a scholarly article that is peer-reviewed. This article looks interesting, so I click on either Get PDF, View Online, or Available Online to go to the article. I'll read the abstract or summary of the article to see if it's a good fit. If it is, I'll save it for later and return to my OneSearch results to find more resources. To find other types of sources, I'll select Reset Filters on the left. I now select Books under Content Type because that's another type of source my professor asked me to find. As I browse through my results, I find an ebook. I click on Available Online to open the record that gives more information about the book, and then click the link under Available Online. Select Access options on the next page and select the format that works best for you. I can view the table of contents and go to a chapter that looks interesting. Back at my search results, here's a physical book at one of the Maricopa Community College Libraries I want to check out. I click on the title or call number and sign in to reserve a copy. If the book is not located at SEC, it can be delivered from another college. Press Request and choose a pickup location. For more resources, return to your OneSearch results and scan results, change your filters, or use different keywords in a new search. If you need help, contact SEC librarians or use the 24/7 Ask a Librarian chat service from the library homepage.